Dear viewers, today we will delve into the world of words and their impact on our lives. We often underestimate the power of our words and self-affirmations. At first glance, they might seem like a combination of letters and sounds, but in reality, they are so much more. Your words are energy, and they have the ability to shape and alter your reality. Let's explore this crucial aspect. Do not speak negatively about yourself, not even in jest. Your body doesn't differentiate between jokes and serious affirmations. This statement holds a profound meaning. Even when we playfully express negative words about ourselves, we tend to forget how they affect our inner world. Words are not just symbols on paper or sounds produced by our lips. They create a powerful field that surrounds us and influences our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Every word you utter leaves an energetic imprint and, in a way, works like a spell. Today, we invite you to contemplate how you talk about yourself, what words you use in your everyday life. Often, we say phrases like, "I'll never succeed," or "I don't deserve happiness," without realizing how detrimental this can be. These words affect our subconscious and start to shape a reality that aligns with these beliefs. So, if you wish to change your life for the better, start by being conscious of your words and affirmations. Replace negative phrases with positive ones. For example, instead of saying, "I'll never succeed," say, "I am capable of achieving all that I desire." This isn't merely changing a sentence, it's altering your energy and self-perception. It's crucial to remember that what you don't change, you are choosing to keep. If you continue to speak negatively about yourself, you are reinforcing the negative aspects of your life. Instead, let's choose the path of positive change through positive words. Therefore, remember that words are not mere sounds. They are tools to influence your subconscious and the reality surrounding you. When you stop speaking negatively about yourself, you begin to pave the way for positive changes. We hope this video has inspired you to reflect on the importance of words and their influence on your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to receive more wise advice and spiritual inspiration. Remember, you have the power to change your life, starting with altering your inner dialogue. Your path to positive changes is just beginning.